Microsoft putting more computing power behind its in-house AI models, along with what it means. If you like, I can also pull up some expert commentary. Building its own compute clusters. Microsoft is investing heavily to build out more physical infrastructure, i.e. its own GPU/chip clusters, to train its AI models internally. Independence from OpenAI/model diversification. The effort is part of a push for more self-sufficiency. While Microsoft still works with OpenAI and uses its models, they are also developing their own models to reduce dependency and offer more options. New in-house models already out. MAI-1 Preview, a foundation model trained entirely in-house, using 15,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs. MAI-Voice-1, a speech generation model that can produce a minute of audio in under a second on a single GPU. Scale target. Microsoft acknowledges that its current in-house models are smaller compared to some rivals. The ambition is to eventually build clusters 6 to 10 times larger, to compete with companies like Google, Meta, etc. Cost and latency. Running your own models, on your own infrastructure, can reduce costs and reduce dependence on third parties. Also, it gives better control over latency, privacy, and optimization. Strategic flexibility. Diversifying model sources means Microsoft isn't putting all its eggs in OpenAI's basket. If one model isn't optimal, they have alternatives. Competition in AI frontier. As the AI race heats up, being able to scale quickly is a big advantage. Microsoft's investment shows it wants to be among the top players not just in applications, but in foundational model development and infrastructure. Innovation and specialization. The multi-model strategy, i.e. different models for different tasks or use cases, seems central. Rather than one universal model, Microsoft appears to want specialized ones. Some may be in-house, some from external collaborators.